If you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe.
Hi, I'm Cymyemidori and today we have the world's first smart bird cage. And it has auto-feeding, auto-watering, auto-cleaning with UVC sterilization and smart light. Amazing, right? Seems they just read my mind and solve all the owner's bird problems. I've been testing Birdie for a few days and in this video I will tell you all you need to know about Birdie. As you can see, I decided to leave Birdie in my living room. I know it's not the most beautiful background for you guys to see a video, but I really like it here. It's beautifully designed. I like the fact that they created this kind of pyramid-shaped top. If you have cats like me, it will make it impossible for them to sleep on the top of the cage, avoiding them stressing the bird. And if you are worried about the birds, don't need to worry because my cats will not attack them. You can see the bird is even trying to interact with my cats. The size is perfect for small and middle-sized birds, and it has enough space to install more accessories like I did. And to control bird functions, you have two options. First, you can control using this knob, and second one, use the app that I will show to you guys later. But I really like we can control everything from here with this very elegant knob and intuitive screen. The knob has a colorful display and you can even check if it's connected or not with the Wi-Fi. And here have some options. For example, when you turn it, you can find settings. Then you can check the humidity and also the temperature of your room. Then you can control the light, clean, water, and food. And I'm not sure if you notice, every time you turn it, the light will change, so it's easier for you to recognize the functions. Here on the settings, you can just press. You can find the reset Wi-Fi, screen brightness, screen timeout, screen off, system settings, and about. Then you can choose to go back to home. But I will enter in the system settings because there is something I want to show to you guys. In the system settings has language option, factory reset, temperature unit, and then back to home. But in the language you have 16 options. You can check, they really included a lot of language for you guys, and I'm really happy they have Portuguese. I'm not sure if you know, but I am Brazilian, and I was checking the system and the translation is really correct. I'm really glad they did it very properly because most of the time when they have Portuguese language, always have some mistakes. But if you are not at home or maybe you are too lazy to lay down on your couch and you don't want to come here to control everything, you can use the app. You can control everything from here and even check more data about feeding, watering and cleaning. And in the future, they will have more functions like feed and watering plan. You will be able to set the day and time and bird will do everything according to your plan. And before I start to show all the features, I just want to remind you guys, I am testing a prototype. So this hole and this door will not be here in the future. And it's just here because before they have another kind of remote control, but they upgraded for this knob version. It's more convenient and more elegant. So please don't pay attention too much about the details and about the appearance. Let's focus in the functions because the painting material and everything else will be improved until the final version. And one more thing, during my tests I had a lot of questions I needed to ask for them and maybe you have the same doubts, so don't forget to watch this video until the end. I will point them out during this video. For the auto feeding, this is the device. It consists in 3 parts. The top part where you fill with the seeds. On the cover there is a place that allows you to put a small silica gel bag to remove the humidity and let the seeds last for a longer period of time. The food dispenser will remove the old food first Only after that it will fill with new food. And you can customize the feeding amount according to your preferences. And all the leftover you can remove from the bottom compartment. The top, the middle plate and bottom compartment can be removed, so you can wash it. And I really like it because with this feeder, even if you are not at home, you still can feed with the correct amount of food for your bird. But I had some concerns about this design. For example, first about the location. Why they put it so low? For this small bird, it's perfect because it cannot fly so high. So it will be convenient for him to stay here. But I asked them if they could not make another hole, maybe on the top. So let us choose the level we will install the feeder and the water dispenser. Because I had some concern. For example, if I put the pole here on the top, maybe the birds will stay here and let some dirt fall into the dispensers. And they told me, don't worry, they are thinking about this, and about the shape, they will change for something like this, avoiding any dirt fall inside. And I always bring cool stuffs for you guys, so don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing products. And for the water dispenser, I always thought why they don't make something interesting for birds. For cats, for example, they have a lot of fountains, and for dogs the same. My cats and my dogs have that kind of fountain with the filters, the water flow, they will have fresh water every day, but there is nothing similar for birds. I know there is some water dispenser in the market, but it's very simple. But this one really amazed me. Let me show how it works. It works similar as the feeder dispenser. It also has 3 parts. You fill with the water on the top. The dispenser will remove the dirty water first before it fills with clean water. And all the dirty water can be removed with the bottom compartment. And if it's run out of water, you will get a notification showing to refill it. So let's check how the system works. I will put some seeds here. Just let's pretend the water was dirty. So you just need to press the water button, confirm, and it will start to remove all the dirty water before it fills with clean water. Your bird will always have fresh water and the best environment. And just for you guys to understand, all the seeds that was in the dirt water before, it's here right now. So it makes our works to keep the cage clean much easier. For the water dispenser, I really think it's really clever. I don't have any complaints and I didn't have any doubts. If you have any doubts about the products I'm showing to you guys today, don't forget to leave in the description and I will try to ask them. For the cleaning system, you will need to use the bird litter they developed. It's good because it helps to remove the smell. You just need to fill with it. The new version will have a mark so you can know how much you need to fill it. Later we will test with the real bird, but I need to let this door open so you can check how it works. So I create some situations. For example, I put some bigger and some very small ones so we can check if we can collect the dirt properly. Let's go. Then I tried with the bird inside to check if the movement and sound would make it scared. And you can see the bird reaction. It didn't bother it. But this bird poop is very small, so some poops are hired to be removed, and also small seeds will be left there. I mentioned this for them and they said they are still testing, calibrating, making some changes, so this problem will be solved in the future. And it will have a UVC sterilization system integrated on it. But I'm testing a prototype, so I don't have it now to show to you guys. But you can see in this image how it works, and that will help to kill 99% of the bacteria, and will only activate after the automatic cleaning of birds dropping and not running all the time, giving our little friends and also ourselves a clean and safe environment. And clean it is very convenient and make me very happy, because this is one of the tasks I hate the most. So you can just use one button to make it clean by itself, and after a few days or few weeks you can remove all the dirt in the down compartment and then wash it, saving a lot of time for you guys. On the front part you can see two handles. The first one, you can remove the tray with all the litter, so you can easily throw away, wash it and change for a new one. The second handle opens a small compartment with the dirty litter, making it easier to throw it on the garbage and also to wash it. Here on the front part, bird has two opening. You can use it if you don't want to open the door. But to open the door is also very convenient. You can open and close it effortlessly. And last but not least, it is integrated with 6 light modes to simulate birds' natural habitat. It has close, quiet, display, lively, night and nest. And I installed one camera here because I wanted to check if the bird will feel comfortable inside this cage. So I asked them if in the future they will have some kind of bundle including one camera. And they said yes. But right now they are trying to figure out the position to install it so you can have the best angle to see your birds. And just remind you guys, even though it's a smart cage, it's not meant to confine the birds there. You can see there is 2 big openings in the front part. You can let it open so your birds can fly in and fly out anytime. You can also let the doors open to make it even easier for them to come back home. So please try to interact with your bird as more as possible. Here are some upgrades they will do. They will improve the design to make it larger and more comfortable. It will have more entry and exit points, make it easier for them to come and go freely. You will be able to adjust feeding and watering portion, and you will be able to remove a portion of it, dividing the middle to make it more versatile. So if you have any question or any suggestion, please don't forget to write in the comments below. And if you want to get the best price, you can check the link right now. They have one new campaign, so you can get this bird cage with a lot of discounts. And if you want to check any other information or want to contact them, don't forget to follow them in their social media. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye!